Hello everyone, today our topic is how to get email notification for new GoHighLevel leads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead in GoHighLevel, then automatically I'm going to capture those lead details and I'm going to get an email notification with all those lead details. So for that I have to build a simple connection between GoHighLevel and Gmail. So for building this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I have to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use GoHighLevel. In action application, I'm going to use Gmail. So how I'm going to build this connection? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can get email notification for new GoHighLevel leads. So I use GoHighLevel for CRM management, and what I want is that every time I get a new lead in GoHighLevel or new contact will be created as a lead, then I want to get a notification email with those details of the lead. So I want this to happen automatically, and with that I will never miss any of my lead. So for doing this automatically, what I have to do is I have to use Pabbly Connect, and by using Pabbly Connect, what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a connection between GoHighLevel and Gmail where I'm going to receive email as notification. So I'm going to build this connection without any coding and programming skills, and for using Pabbly Connect, I have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect, and this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I have to click here on this Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and this will direct us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here, I want to create a new workflow. For that, I have to click here on this Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow. So I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to get email notification for GoHighLevel leads. Now I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So for that, I have to open this tab. And in this tab, I will find all the folders that I have created in my Pabbly Connect account. And in this, I have this particular folder of Gmail. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says, when this happens, action says, do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow, and action will just follow that. So we have to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application is going to be lead connector. So by using lead connector v2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect GoHighLevel and I'm going to get the responses of my leads in Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select lead connector v2 here, and now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and contact created will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to connect lead connector v2 with Pabbly Connect, and for that what I have to do is I have to use this webhook URL, and this is going to work as a bridge between lead connector v2 and Pabbly Connect. And for connecting these two accounts, I have to follow all this instruction. So first I'm going to copy this webhook URL. Now what I need to do is I need to go to my GoHighLevel account. So I'm going to take you there, and here I'm using this account of Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to go to automations, and here I'm going to create a new workflow. For that I have to click on this Create Workflow button. And here I'm going to start from scratch. So I'm going to select this option. And now what I have to do is I have to first add my new trigger. So I'm going to click here on this plus button. And here my trigger will be contact created. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to give my workflow trigger name. So I'm going to clear this. And my trigger name will be new lead. And I'm going to click on save trigger. Now I have to add my action. So I'm going to click here on this plus button. And here I have to search for my action. So here my action will be webhook. So I'm going to select webhook here. And here my method will be of post, and here I have this option of URL. So I'm going to paste that webhook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste that here. And now what I need to do is I need to click on save action, and I'm going to publish this workflow, and I'm going to click on save. So I have published this new workflow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So how I'm going to get this webhook response? For that I have to create a new lead or create a new contact in my GoHighLevel account. So if you have your landing page from which you are going to create a new lead, then you can do that and you will get the response here in Pabbly Connect. But I'm going to do this manually because I don't have any landing page. So I'm going to show you that how you can get the response in Pabbly Connect for your new lead. So I'm going to go back to my GoHighLevel account. Here I'm going to go back. I will go to contacts. And here I'm going to create a new contact as a lead. So I'm going to click here on this add contact button. And now I have all these tabs. So I have to fill all these tabs to create a new contact as a lead. Now here I have to first give my first name. So my first name will be demo. Last name will be user. Email will be demoUser434@pabblytudes.com. Now I have to select my phone type. So I'm going to open this tab and here my phone is going to be of mobile. And now I have to give a random mobile number. So first I'm going to give the country code, which is going to be +91, and I'm going to give a random mobile number. So this is going to be mobile number of my lead. Now I have to select my contact type. So in this I have two options, lead and customer. So I want to create this contact as a new lead. So I have to select my contact type as lead. And here I have filled all the required details. Now what I have to do is I have to click on save. And here we can see I have created this new contact. So the first name is demo, last name is user, email is demoUser434@pabblytudes.com, and I have this random mobile number. Now I have to go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see I have received this response. So in this response I have the random mobile number of my contact, I have the full name of my contact, which is demo user, first name is demo, last name is user, email is demoUser434@pabblytudes.com. So here we can see that I have received these details of my new lead or the contact that I've just created in my GoHighLevel account. Now what I need to do is I need to use all these details, and I want to get an email notification with all these details of my new lead that I have created in GoHighLevel. So for that, what I have to do is I have to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab, and here my action application is going to be Gmail. So I'm going to select Gmail here, and now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab. And send email will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And I'm going to connect Gmail with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And I will connect with Gmail. And here I have to click on allow to give access to my account. So I'm going to click here. And my connection here is successful. Now for sending the email as notification, I have all these tabs. So I have to fill all these details here. Now first I need the recipient email addresses. So here what I have to do is I have to give the email addresses to whom I want to send this email notification. So I myself want to receive this email notification. So I'm going to give my email address here. But if you want to send this email notification to all your team, you can give their email addresses here too. I'm going to give my email address here. So my email will be testuser@pabblytudes.com. So this is my email address on which I want to receive the email notification. Now I have to give the sender name. So here I can either give my company name or my name. So here I'm going to give the name of my company, which will be Pabbly. So this will be the sender name of my email. Now I have to give the email subject. So my email subject will be new lead received. Now I have to select the email content type. So here I have two options, plain and HTML. So I want to get the email as a plain type. So I'm going to select that here. And now I have to give the email content. So this will be my email content, which is hello, we have received a new lead in GoHighLevel, and these are the details, name, email and the mobile number. Now what I need to do is I need to map the details that I have received from GoHighLevel response. So for that what I have to do is I have to map those details here, and I have to use mapping. So what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs, and the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in a real time. So for mapping, what I have to do is I have to first map the name of my lead. So I'm going to click here, I will give a space, and I'm going to open this response of lead connector v2. So in this I have received the details of my lead from GoHighLevel. So I need the name of my lead. So here I have the full name of my lead, which is demo user. So I'm going to map this. Similarly, I'm going to map the email. So I'm going to click here, I will give a space, I'm going to open this response, and in this I have this email address. So I'm going to map this. So my email is demoUser434@pabblytudes.com, and now I need the mobile number. So I'm going to click here, I will give a space, I'm going to open this response of lead connector v2, and this is the mobile number of my lead. So I'm going to map this. So I have mapped all the required details here. So now I have to click on save and send test request button, and here we can see I have received this response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent a notification message automatically to the email address that I have filled as my recipient email address. Now to check this, I'm going to open my Gmail account. Now here we can see I have received this new email. So in this I have this email subject, which is new lead received, and I have the sender name, which is Pabbly. And here I have my email content, which is hello, we have received a new lead in GoHighLevel, and these are the details. So the name of my lead is demo user, email is demoUser434@pabblytudes.com, and we have this random mobile number. So here we can see that I have received this new email notification on my Gmail account with the details of the lead that I have just created in my GoHighLevel account as a contact. So here my connection between GoHighLevel and Gmail is working successfully. Whenever I'm going to add a new lead or add a new contact, then automatically I'm going to receive an email notification on my Gmail account. Now to check this in real time, I'm going to go back to GoHighLevel. I will go back and here I'm going to add a new contact. So I'm going to click here on this add contact button. And here my first name is going to be test, last name will be user, my email will be testuser2367@pabblytudes.com, and now I have to select my phone type. So I'm going to open this tab and mobile will be my phone type. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to give any random mobile number. So this is my country code and this will be my random mobile number. Now I have to give a contact type. So my contact type is going to be lead. And here I have filled all the required details. Now what I have to do is I have to click on save. And here I have created this new lead in my GoHighLevel account. So the first name is test, last name is user, email is testuser2367@pabblytudes.com, and I have this random mobile number. Now here what should happen is that automatically an email notification should be sent with all these details of my lead. Now to check this, I'm going to go back to my Gmail account. I will go back and here I have received this new email. So the email subject is new lead received and this was sent to me by Pabbly. And this is my email content, which is hello, we have received a new lead in GoHighLevel and these are the details. So the name is test user, email is testuser2367@pabblytudes.com, and we have this random mobile number. So here we can see these were the details of the new lead that I have just created in my GoHighLevel account, and I have received those details automatically as an email notification on my Gmail account. So here we can see that I have successfully built this connection between GoHighLevel and my Gmail account. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have built this connection between GoHighLevel and Gmail. Now let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger and my trigger application was lead connector v2 and my trigger event was contact created. Then I have set up my actions tab and my action application was Gmail and my action event was send email. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there, and thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.